In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating topic that could change your life. What happens if you replace all your drinks with water? You might be surprised by the profound effects this simple change can have on your health and well-being. Stick around as we explore these benefits and how they can transform your body and mind. 1. Excretes toxins faster. When you switch to water, your body becomes a more efficient detox machine. Water helps flush out harmful substances and waste products from your body, making your kidneys work more effectively. This detoxification process can improve your overall health, prevent premature aging, and leave you feeling rejuvenated. 2. Lowers the risk of many diseases. Drinking water regularly can lower the risk of numerous diseases, including hypertension, bladder conditions, and even bowel cancer. Staying hydrated helps maintain optimal blood pressure levels and supports the body's natural defenses against various health issues. 4. Heart works better. Did you know that drinking 5 glasses of water a day can lower your risk of a heart attack by 41%? Water helps maintain a healthy balance of fluids, supports proper blood circulation, and reduces the strain on your heart. By keeping your cardiovascular system in check, water plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy heart. 5. Lose weight faster. If you're looking to shed some pounds, water is your new best friend. By replacing sugary drinks with water, you eliminate empty calories from your diet, which can lead to faster weight loss. In fact, replacing all drinks with water for 9 days can help you lose the same amount of calories as jogging for 8 kilometers a day. 6. Speed up your metabolism. Drinking water, especially in the morning, can significantly boost your metabolism. Consuming just 17 oz of water in the morning can increase your metabolism by 24%, helping you burn calories more efficiently throughout the day. 7. Brain works better. Water is essential for optimal brain function. Staying hydrated helps you concentrate better, think more clearly, and stay alert. Drinking water can improve your cognitive performance, making you more efficient and energized, even during late-night tasks. 8. Skin becomes softer and cleaner. Water is your skin's best friend. By keeping your skin hydrated, water helps clear impurities and moisturizes your skin from the inside out. After a few weeks of consistent water intake, you'll notice softer, clearer skin that you'll fall in love with all over again.